Um, to be honest, thoughts on ETF at the moment. I'm a bit of, I would say, excited. It might get approval the way all the hype is. But ਜੇ ਨਾ approve ਹੋਇਆ, it's gonna damage a lot of the crypto industry. And same time, it will be good for the crypto as well because nothing can affect Bitcoin anyway. Bitcoin's still gonna grow, and that stubbornness of SEC is not approving the ETF. It will help Bitcoin grow more than ever. So that's all I'm thinking about. You know, so at the moment, if we look at the latest updates on ETF, so there is no update yet. So there's no update on SEC website yet. So wait ही करते हैं. New about USD, there's nothing new about USD to be honest. We're still waiting. So gold is more prone to go downwards. Obviously, American economy is doing well. There is nothing that can damage USD at the moment. So USD looking a lot better. So that's something you know need to be careful for gold buyers. Basically, there's nothing at the moment that's supporting gold to go up. So that's the only thing. Oh, की पंगा जा पा लिया मैं. Oh, thank God. चल गया. So, so at the moment, there's no decision at all. Whatever is happening. There's no news. Bitcoin is holding 45K. So ਕੱਲ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਧੱਕਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਸੀ ਕੱਲ ਬਿਟਕੋਇਨ ਨੂੰ regarding fake post about SEC approving Bitcoin. What do you guys think? कि कौन हो सकता है? Do you guys think it was really hacked or it was internal source? ਜਿਹਨੇ quickly ਪੈਸੇ ਬਣਾਉਣੇ ਸੀ. So launch the news, buy the Bitcoin, launch the news, sell it quickly, and then just say sorry after. So that was the biggest manipulation SEC could have done. You know, maybe one of the staff members, possibly, because by the look of it, there was nothing hacked in terms of account or anything. There's no news about it. But all they said is sorry, the account was compromised. So compromise mean it could be in hands of anybody else as well. Brent oil is going down. The oil's going down. You've seen inventory देखियां होनियां so I got to sell trades on the oil. So just protecting. Got sell trade on UK oil, just protecting them. So Brent UK oil, I'm targeting around 75, 70. And US oil, I'm targeting about 70, 70. So these are the prices I'm targeting about. Greed index 72, so it seems not really bad at the moment. Possibility when the ETF will index will be launched, it will go up to around 90s. And that is when Bitcoin gonna start selling. But at the moment, there is nothing for the Bitcoin. Oil is down. Oil is down definitely. Oil is this is the strong resistance as well. The oil. So I'm just waiting on oil to go past. I already got sell trade when the inventories came out, and it's running in profit. The gold sell, the Apala the gold sell is on 2027. It's running on profit as well. So we already had scraped around 100, 150, 150, 60, 160 pips from gold since morning. Gas, it doesn't look good. I got a buy on a gas. So rest is a Bitcoin really. That's the only thing I'm just trying to get that on. Cardano is obviously good coin. Cardano ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਚਿਰ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਦੇਰ ਦਾ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. Cardano we purchased it when it was really around I think 29, 27, 29 around that range. So So Cardano has touched 50 now, 50 cent. So that's really over 100% nearly we made, nearly 100%. So which is not bad. Avalanche. So if you look at it, crypto market actually the 24-hour average. Um, so the market cap the हिसाब ना देखिए तो Bitcoin has dropped 2.68%, Ethereum up 6.87%. Other than that, XRP up 1.7%, USDC Tron up 2.33%, Polygon Matic up to 5.73%, Chainlink up 397%, Shiba Inu up 1.22%, and Litecoin up 2.88%. Euro long term, I can't see really good strength in Euro at the moment. If we look at long term Euro projects on the economy news and stuff, Germany, one of their biggest economies, struggling at the moment, and they don't have the you know that firepower to boost the economy as well. So they're struggling. So when Germany is struggling, Europe got very less hope to run through. Sorry, guys. Just give me 1 second. Let me just um, get some water. So let's see. Tesla good. Tesla, I'm thinking to buy some more as well to top it up. Tesla is a good buy. As long as market stays steady, there's no bad news coming out. I'm expecting Tesla next target is around 330, 325 for Tesla. Tesla got a lot in pipeline at the moment. So they're not doing bad at all. Sorry guys, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ. Sorry guys, I'm just looking at chat now from different YouTube. Okay. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸੰਦੀਪ, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ. Sorry Sandeep, I just seen your message from YouTube. ਕੋਈ ਪੰਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੀ. Just working at the moment, so let's see. So at the moment, Bitcoin is just waiting for the shock of the market. That's what it's all about at the moment, Bitcoin. Profit made in past year, it really depend on what, which profit you're asking for. I got business in multiple countries, so, and something maybe you understand. There's no time for the news at the moment. So ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ actually I can show you guys my trading results. Where's my actual account? ਹਾਂਜੀ indicator I use different indicator. It really depend on oh my god, what happened to my FX book? No way. Huh? Oh, I didn't even clearly glasses. Mhm. What's happening to my FX book? This Google thing is very weird though. I don't know, somehow it's just not. Oh, here it is. Yeah, yeah, it's working. So my my trading account is up 73.25%. So this is the new trading account which when I got it after Legacy was closed few months back. So A account the history got it since October. So you can imagine if I can do 70% in 3 months, you can imagine what's this going to be do in a year. So here we go. If somebody want to see. So you can see here. So basically, this is this month so far. So this month, gain 0.53%, profit around £9,000, sorry. Around 1300 pips profit so far. And winning ratio 76%, trades 17 loss. So 38 lot of trading are done so far. So total trade ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ 1913 trade ਆ ਮੇਰੇ so ਮੇਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ win ratio ਆ that total is 87% so far on this account. So so that's my win ratio. That's where I get all my measurements and everything. So if you look at it here, so this is the green zone. This one is how many trades are won. So winning actually एक तरह the percentage. So 85% is total winning percentage, and 15% is the stop losses. So that's my account's total history, to be honest. I do trade, yes. I do trade a stock, I do trade currency, do trade commodities, gold, silver, ਹੋਰ ਵੀ, gas, petrol, fuel, ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਛ. ਤੇ and this is, by the way, this is a real account. So ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ fake ਦਿਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ. So you can see here. So ਇਹ basically my FX book is a company ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ validity ਦੇ ਲਈ ਲੋਕ use ਕਰਦੇ ਆ. So if it's a demo, then it will show you demo account here. So you can see, so if I take the deposit out, withdrawal out, so growth, if you look at it, so growth October 3 ਤੋਂ ਇਹਦੀ growth log ਹੋਈ ਹੈ. and then it has grown 73.25% so far. So yeah. This is a smaller account. I used to have a bigger account on Legacy FX. ਪਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਉਹ close ਹੋਇਆ, then I had to basically what I experienced with them, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਹ bankrupt ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸੀਗੇ. So it's not like when anyone lose money, we all manage to withdraw our money and everything. But what I learned is never put all your eggs into one broker's basket as well. So now at the moment I use 3 different broker. ਮੇਰਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ for my stock trading, especially when I target earning season, especially earning season start ho gaya is Friday to start ho raha hai, banਕਾਂ ਦੀ earnings aa rahi hain, so we're going to make a lot of money with the earnings as well. um so ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ I use mainly trade 212. The simple reason is trade 212 is offering the biggest time frame to stock trading. ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਬੰਦ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ, ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ ਉਹ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ, ਪਰ we can do trading even after market closes as well on trade 212. So trade 212 is really good platform for that purpose. So ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੇਰੀ stock trading ਸਾਰੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ. Triple FX ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਾਰੀ forex and commodity trading ਕਰਦਾ ਆ. So because obviously they offer a zero swap free account, they offer they offer 200% commission as well on your deposit, credit on your deposit as well. So they're quite useful that way. But they don't function in UK. So you either have a Dubai ID or any other country ID, which one is out of Europe. Even Canadian, Australian people, they all can use Triple FX. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਤੀਜਾ broker ਆ, I mainly use multi-bank. They got a bigger portfolio of crypto to trade. So for crypto trading and stuff, I use them. So that's okay. Actually, yeah, somebody. Okay, this one here. Okay, this is these green bars are showing the day I make profit, and red bars are showing the day I make loss. So ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆ, ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲੀ ਟਿਕਟੋਕ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵੀ ਪਾਈਆਂ ਸੀ, ਮੈਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਮਜ਼ਾਕ 'ਚ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਪਾਤੀ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ that video will go that big hit, but I had like nearly 200k view on that video, and so many people like laugh because obviously they understand I'm just joking about it. So many people be negative, ਬਹੁਤ toxic comments ਵੀ ਆਏ ਕਾਫੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ. So ਕਈਆਂ ਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਚਿਤੜਾਂ ਤੇ ਠੋਕੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਦੜਾ ਦਈਦੇ ਆ, ਤੇ ਕਈਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੱਡੀਆਂ ਕਿੱਡੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਮਾਰਦਾ, ਲੋਸ ਵੀ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਕਰੋ, ਲੋਸ ਵੀ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਕਰੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟ ਦਿਖਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ. ਸੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਆ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ ਲੋਸ ਮੇਰੇ. ਸੋ since October I only had 3 days, no 4 days actually, the days I made a loss. ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੱਡਾ ਲੋਸ ਮੈਂ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਸਿਰਫ 11 ਦਸੰਬਰ ਨੂੰ. that was the day when I had around 4,000 pips loss. No, yeah. So 1.5k pips loss and 442 pips loss. So ਇਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ loss ਸੀਗਾ, ਸੋ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਛੋਟਾ ਹੈ that's 117 pips loss. ਇਹ ਮੇਰਾ per day ਦਾ, like ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਦਾ basically. So that doesn't define ਕਿ ਮੈਂ loss ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ. I don't proud of ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ profitable ਆ. But if you look at it, since October and today we are in Jan, so आज जनवरी 2 तक आ. So let me just actually, sorry guys, I'm just gonna make a I hope that will update. So this is 8 seconds ago. This account is updated now. So sorry guys. So there you go. This is the latest update. Yeah. So if we take deposit, withdrawal, everything, so you can see here now. So that's October. and that's just opened in October, after withdrawing from legacy. So that's a 82.59% gain basically. So that's in total so far. So only I had a 1, 2, 3, and 4 bad days. Even Ajvi already made a profit of 800 pips this morning. Okay, so this profit and loss is not, it doesn't mean कि इसी सारा दिन profit ही बनाने but this is an average profit. So even though साढ़े stop loss भी hit हुए होने हैं उस दिन, but still our winnings were more than the stop losses. So basically we haven't lost money in total in aggregate. So these red bars are the days when साढ़े ਜਿਹੜੇ losses ਸੀगे ਵੱਡੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਸਾਡੇ profits ਦੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ. So there's only one single day which when I had a huge loss. I don't mind at all because before that, prior to that, ਉਸ ਦਿਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ we had a 6,000 pips profit. ਦੂਜੇ ਦਿਨ 4,000 pips, 4,600 pips profit loss ਹੋ ਵੀ ਗਿਆ. I still in profit in those 2 days of trading. So this is how I compare. I don't get panic कि मेरे ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਦਿਨ bad ਲੱਗ ਗਏ ਜਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਦਿਨ ਵਧੀਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਪਏ. Oh, I start getting panic or anything. No, this is not me. Um, we just do it how we do it. That's it. Simple. ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੁ ਤਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਾਊਡ ਕਰੀਦਾ ਆ ਜੰਮੇ ਭਾਵਾਂ ਖੇਤਾਂ 'ਚ ਆ ਤੇ ਸਟਾਕ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਰੱਖੀਦਾ so I hope everybody can see my streaming. Can everybody please tell me if my streaming is working fine? Everyone can hear me nicely. ALB, sorry, I don't know what is ALB. Sorry. Oh, thank you guys. Instagram ਵਾਲਿਓ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਹੀ ਦਿਸਦਾ camera? I'm using my smart glasses, so um, I'm not 100% sure if you guys do. Okay, thank you. Thank you. That's perfect. Because multiple platforms here. So I'm using YouTube. I'm using so many different platforms to make sure I'm live because followers are my followers are on most of different platforms. So ਜੇ ਮੈਂ TikTok ਤੇ live ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਈ ਗੱਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਭਾਜੀ Instagram ਤੇ ਵੀ live ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੇ Instagram ਤੇ ਵੀ live ਆ ਜਾਓ ਭਾਜੀ YouTube ਤੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ. So I'm trying as much as possible to live stream on as many as channels possible in one go. So yeah, so this is the one. So this is today's basically. So today $6,000 profit since morning. We had 802 pips. Win ratio today's is 92%. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ 40 ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਆ loss ਵੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਅੱਜ ਮੇਰੀ ਗਲਤੀ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਇਆ. I went to tennis and I forgot to change my stop loss. I told everybody to change the stop loss. I changed it on my out of 3 trades. I changed it on 2 of them, but didn't change it on third. And that you can imagine that it doesn't affect me psychologically. Like मैं इतना नहीं bad नहीं सोचता हूँ किसी चीज बारे. Loss is a loss. मेरी mistake है, so I own up to it. And that's the main more important part. So today's my total account growth is 0.33%. This week it's 2.48% मेरा account grown होया. Months the profit is 5.95% growth in total. So that's a total growth जितने मेरे funds है. Oil, any update to buy? Not yet at the moment. Um, so oil is still dropping, so we chasing up from behind. So मेरा oil ਦਾ dropping target is 70 US oil ਦਾ ਤੇ UK oil ਦਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ target ਹੈ ਥੱਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਦਾ dropping ਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ 75 70. So that's round I'm targeting. There are so many ETFs. Electric car ETF is good one as well. There is a green energy ETF. Which ones are going for the future and future? They did a long term investment if you're looking for S&P 500. Never gold anyway. You can invest in whatever the stocks you want to invest. It's completely up to you, really. You know. Um, TikTok ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ Telegram ਦਾ link ਨਹੀਂ ਜੀ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਣੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ. If you go on my TikTok or even you go on my website tandathegreat.com, and then the first bar is my social media and stuff after the booking the training. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਾਰ ਆ ਉਹ social media ਦੀ ਬਾਰ ਆ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰਾ Telegram ਦਾ link ਹੈ. Just click on it. You can just join the group. I don't see why you have a problem. ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਪਰ possibility ਕਈ ਵਾਰ software ਦੀ issue ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ. But you can go on my Telegram, TikTok the bio ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, and then you can click on my website there as well. Bitcoin ETF at the moment we're still looking into it. So there's no news. Bitcoin has topped up to 46K. So we just waiting for it. Whatever the news is. ਕਦੋਂ ਆਉਣੀ ਆ? We don't know. I might won't be able to stay live for long. ਪਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ Bitcoin ਦੀ news ਆਈ ਆ, we will definitely share it. You know. Um, so these are the trades today's. So total we have like 6,359 so far. And we haven't done bad today actually. Oil spot, sorry guys, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ US oil ਦਾ trade ਲਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ, we have closed at 200 pips. I don't know, I forgot to update in a group. Basically, it's closed. I did update later on early morning, 200 pips still secure color. We should have closed it at 300 pips, but it is what it is. If you close Kalia, that's perfect. You nahi close kita, you still managed to take 200 pips on the oil as well. So US oil total, we had a 200 pips, 100 pips on TP1, 200 pips on TP2, and 200 pips on TP3. So we had total 500 pips in US oil. I haven't put the sell signal on. I was doing something when the inventories came, but I hope you guys do watch my videos and you should know by now how to we trade on the news. So when the news come with inventories, they was quite high up. The inventories were so simple decision was there to sell the fuel. So we're making the profit already. So what I do is I chase it off the back. So ਮੇਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ strategy ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ institution, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ trader, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ broker ਕਦੀ ਵੀ teach ਕਰੂਗਾ ਕਿ how you trade your chase, how you chase your trade from the back, behind, ਪਿੱਛੋਂ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ chase ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ। ਸਾਡਾ ਮੋਰੇ ਦਾ TV ਲੱਗਾ ਹੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਪਰ ਸਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ stop loss ਆ it protects a lot of profit. So this is what giving me to eliminate all my losses. So this is why if you see my FX book, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੂਗਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲਾਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਘੱਟ ਆ। ਲਾਸ ਵਾਲਾ ਦਿਨ ਜਿੱਦਣ ਮੇਰਾ ਲਾਸ 4 ਦਿਨ ਬਣਿਆ ਆ ਲਾਸਟ 5 ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਸਿਰਫ ਉਹ ਇਸੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਬਣਿਆ ਕਿ we had a bad day, we had a really bad day, we just pick up the wrong trades and everything. So it's okay. Some days you're not into your mood, some days you're not understanding the market well. It's okay to take losses, and as long as overall we are in profit, that's more important. Nvidia is one of the best stocks. Nvidia, ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ Nvidia is one of the best stocks going to win, future, because it will overtake Apple one day as well. That's what I can say even as well. I did say it before as well. Nvidia will take over Apple one day. This is how that strong the stock is. It's non-stop. They getting everything. They getting away. Even though America put the restrictions on Nvidia to sell the chipsets to the China and stuff, but recently because they put the pressure on, they put the lobby, put the pressure on. Um, they put the pressure on the Congress, so they let Nvidia sell the smaller semiconductors to China. So which is helping China basically as well as Nvidia. ਵੀਰੇ ਮੈਂ puts नहीं करता. I don't do option trading, so I have no idea really. I never done it and I have no idea where to see that from. So far, Bitcoin not doing bad to be honest. 46K. It has just topped up 46K. So I got a pending buy at 47, and I got a pending sell at 42 to 43K. So just sell it. I'm gonna bring it a bit more near. So maybe around 44K. So I'm not live trading on that. I'm putting pending orders. So the trigger ho gaya jada 47 wala ya. I'm gonna leave it here actually 47K. I'm not gonna change it because all I know is whatever the news is, either it will drop down, either it will go back up. Sandeep, the main reason behind not doing options is first, options are very complicated. Second, we just making money with the trading very simple way. We don't need to really options ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ normally American continent ਲਈ ਵਧੀਆ ਆ because there's a lot of traders do that over there. For we as a middle people, in Europe, sitting right in the middle of Asia and American continents, we like to enjoy the money coming through the normal simple way of trading. Options are a bit complicated than trading. And plus, we're making money anyway with the trading, so we don't need to look into other sources. We already got crypto, we already got stocks, we target earnings. So it's a lot easy. Yeah. Solana is after Bitcoin, it will be Solana. After Bitcoin, it will be Solana, definitely. But Solana is the second coin. I think I'm sure Solana will take over Ethereum one day as well. Even though Ethereum is very strong, you might laugh at my what I'm saying, but write it down now. One Solana will take over Bitcoin one day. I said it before as well. I know Solana had a bad run, but long term in running in the future, Solana has patched up all their weaknesses. Solana has grown. The projects are coming a lot on their platform. So all we're looking at it is at the moment. I'm not saying like Solana will take over Ethereum tomorrow, but in longer run future, I would say 5-10 years time, Solana will be a lot stronger than where it is now. So yeah, keeping it for longer. Trading session, the link free group share. Hanji, trading. It will be uploaded on my LinkedIn profile anyway. It will be on my YouTube as well, so you guys can look at it, over there as well. So let's see if we got any news on exchange, SEC, Twitter. No, there's no news on SEC. नहीं जी हल्ले नहीं प्रूव होया जी हल्ले we just waiting. Oh, have they approved it? Have they, have they, have they, have they, have they, have they? No, 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 no. Don't ever use bots. And yeah, we do short stock, we do buy stock. It depends. There's no signal, because it has to be there and then. On the when there is when there are earnings are out. So mainly ਅਸੀਂ stock trading ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, we do during the earning season, so which starts every quarter of the year. They It stays for like good full month, full on earnings, and then I'm so sorry guys, मेरा बोल बोल के मेरा गाल बुरा हो गया. It's showing Bitcoin Ethereum ETF has been approved. Um, I can't see any news anywhere. I can't confirm it. I can see on the 8K document, yeah, complete submission text file, size certified, effective date is 10th of first, filing date is 10th of first 2024, accepted, document one. So let's see what it is. Oh, it has approved the ARC one. So basically, it says here by electric mail, SIBO, US. Why are you going to shut down? I think मेरे glasses, that's it, इन्हीं की है. So they lost the power nearly. So I'm gonna switch to the camera. And why can't I see any effect on it? So ARC 21 shares ETF, Bitcoin ETF, issue filing date January 10, 2024, to whom it may concern. Please be advised that CBOE BZX Exchange in Company has received an application dated December 20th, 2023 from the above reference issuer and has approved the following securities listing. Oh, okay, so this is not the approval. This is for the ARCs ETF ਜਿਹੜਾ listing ਹੈ ਉਹਦਾ approval ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ exchange ਵੱਲੋਂ BZX exchange SIBO. Okay. मैं तो excited हो गया ਸੀ. I thought it's approved now. Yeah, SIBO approved when Fidelity, Franklin are investing Galaxy Spot listing on its exchanges. Still, SEC approval is pending. So basically, all cleared. So all we're waiting on is now is SEC. So SEC, whatever they can say now. So ਜੇ ਅੱਜ SEC ਨੇ approve ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ, so we will be having a trading live maybe later on today or tomorrow sometime, ETFs. So possibility ETFs can be on the trading zone tomorrow sometime, or if not today, maybe possible as well. So we don't know exactly, but there is a possibility. So there is a big jump in ETF, obviously Bitcoin price. So it's 46.41. How come the coin market? Okay, Bitcoin. Yeah, here it is. 46,432. 432. So here and 46,427. Yeah. Bitcoin the target. I'm targeting around. If it's a buy, I'm targeting around 60K, 72K, like last all-time high. And if it's going down, I'm targeting somewhere around this area. So that will be around 29, 30K, but it will be buyback again if it drops. But it doesn't look like it will drop heavily that way. But there will be a lot of people jumping into it to buy. हले there is no update yet. Obviously, SIBO वाले ने ETF approve करते हैं. I think this green line is becoming because of that. It's there you go. You can see this green line is coming because SIBO has approved all the ETFs. So सारी जिन्नियां कंपनियां ने उन्होंने application submit कीतियां सीगियां, they have approved. So ਜਦੋਂ भी ETF launch होया, it will be available on their platform. Yes, Matic is definitely a good project. Definitely, Matic is a good project. पाजी अब कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा बेसिक टू स्टार्ट करो 14 तो समझाना हाँ जी महाराज मैं आज टिकटा सो द पीपल हु वाज आस्किंग मी जिन्होंने मैंने पूछा सीगा कि टिकट्स अवेलेबल फॉर माय ट्रेनिंग क्योंकि मैं पहला ओरिजिनली सिर्फ 100 ਲੋਕਾਂ ਲਈ ਟਿਕਟ ਲਈ ਰੱਖੀਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ but then it was sold out within like half an hour ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ launch ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ then I increased them to 200 because that's the max I could take. So that was sold out in next 2-3 hours as well. So now I have added 800 more tickets. So जिन्होंने भी free forex training join करनी है, this is an online training. It's completely free, only for the people who want to understand what trading is. So trading जिन्होंने understand करना है कि की trading है, कितना ਅਸੀਂ trading करते हैं, ਸੋ ਕੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਿਟ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ losses ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਬੇਸਿਕਸ ਕੀ ਆ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ technicals ਕੀ ਆ fundamentals ਕੀ ਆ so in one day I'm gonna add you guys in so much knowledge into your brains. The training will be recorded as well so you can watch it back as well, obviously because ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਆਉਣੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, so you can watch it again and again as well. I prefer spot. I prefer spot forex. I no I do futures as well, but very few, not many. No. It will be updated onto their websites. So SIBO is the one which one is approving all the platforms at the moment so far. So they will be available on different exchanges. So which exchanges they will be available on, it only depend on ਕਿ ਕਿਹੜੀ company ਦਾ ETF ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆ approve ਹੁੰਦਾ ਪਿਆ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ. The ticket is on my website tandadigrade.com. It's on the home page, and if you go on a menu, there's a so basically I show you guys where how to book the tickets for the training as well. So basically, when you go on my website tandadigrade.com, this is the first section. You can just press on book now, and it takes you to the event website, and then you can just book it. Just it's one person. Tickets are limited, one to each person. You will get a link of Zoom after that, and then that Zoom link you need. So ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਜਾਂ ਫੋਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ Zoom ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਇੰਸਟਾਲ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ to attend the training. So ਇੰਨਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖਿਓ. And no, Tejveer, obviously, ਜੇ 1000 ਬੰਦਾ login ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ, I would be there sitting down and answering the questions. I won't be taking the questions. Only thing I will be doing is I will record the training and then I will give it to you guys so you guys can see again and again. And you guys can send me message anyway, so you guys know that anyway. So it will be recorded and then you can usage. So don't forget, Dhanda the Great's first steps to forex trading, free online forex bootcamp. It's limited. It's only 2,000 people now. 200 100 ਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ 200 ਤੇ ਕੀਤਾ. Now I put it on 1,000 and there is no way I can increase more than 1,000 because Zoom doesn't allow me to add more than 1,000 people to one Zoom meeting. So so yeah, obviously you guys can ask me questions after that as well. I last 3 days, 4 days, last 4 days, I was counting it today. Last 4 days I replied over 1,200 different messages from so many different people, comments on my videos, messages on TikTok, Instagram, messages on my other platforms. So I do reply everyone as much as possible, but please bear with me. ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਧੀ ਜੀ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸਦਾ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆ ਹੱਥ ਉੱਤੇ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਜਾਂ ਹਾਏ ਹੋਏ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਾ ਭੇਜਿਆ ਕਰੋ। ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਕਰ ਦਿਆ ਕਰੋ। ਆਪਾਂ ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਭੂਆ ਦੇ ਪੋਤੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਪੁੱਛਣੇ ਆ। ਸੋ ਆਈ ਨੋ ਯੂ ਸੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਮੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ, ਯੂ ਨੀਡ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ, so rather than cut that all formality of sending me highs and all that, put your question in a first message. ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਫਿਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੇਵ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ। ਸੋ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਆ, just send me a message straight away ਕਿ ਭਾਜੀ ਆ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਆ। Don't worry about highs and all that hellos, okay? Meeting will be starting 14 ਜਨਵਰੀ ਨੂੰ 9 ਵਜੇ ਸਵੇਰ ਨੂੰ ਤੇ 4 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਚੱਲੇਗੀ। Thank you, Teji. A lot go behind the scenes, mate. A lot go behind the scenes. ਇੰਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ message ਕਰਨੇ, ਦੱਸਣਾ, information ਦੇਣੀ. It's not easy. Sometimes I get frustrated, but my son does help me sometimes as well. So, but it's just still too much sometimes. ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਪਛਤਾਉਣਾ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ why I'm doing it all this. But then I remember my purpose, why I want to do this. So it helps me keep myself fit, entertained, busy all the time. ਬਾਕੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਐਵੇਂ 2-3 ਘੰਟੇ ਦੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਪੂਰੇ ਦਿਨ ਦੀ। ਬਾਕੀ ਦਿਨ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, this is what we do. We just try to help as many as people. ਕੋਈ wrong ਹੱਥਾਂ 'ਚ ਨਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਵੇ, that's the only thing that worries me most of the time, ਕਿ ਕੋਈ wrong ਹੱਥਾਂ 'ਚ ਨਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਵੇ। ਜਿੰਨੀ ਵੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਸਹੀ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਉਨੀ ਦਈਏ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਹੋ ਜਾਵੇ। So Bitcoin has reached 46,500. It is pumping Bitcoin definitely. Ooh. Okay, is it? It says Bitcoin has been approved. ETF. I can't see any news coming out, but I can see this is the only SEC website, unless it's a fake. I'm not sure. Oh, this is a CBOR certificate. Bloody hell! People just spreading the fake news. This is what's gonna happen last minute now. So much fake news gonna come. So be careful now. So it could be any time. It could be any time now. So it's something we all need to watch. Gold at the moment is downfall. So gold they trade live hoya see. So yeah, gold is downfall. Oh wow. So we just managed to took 2 to 3. So that's over 130 pips the trade on the gold. So ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ gold trade ਖੋਲੇ ਹੋ ਆ ਸੈਲ ਦੇ ਸਵੇਰ ਦੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ, so we just took 130 more pips. So we took 60 pips first and then we took 100 and now we took 130 pips more. TP2 is hit, so TP3 is 2009, what I remember that on 2013 ਤੇ ਮੇਰਾ buy ਵੀ ਲੱਗਾ ਹੋਇਆ pending, so we're gonna keep an eye on that as well. Fuel, I'm gonna tighten up my trailing stop loss, so just grab $1,000 at least. So Yeah. So 1,000 confirmed. And I'm gonna do UK oil down as well, around 1,000 AW. Um, there we go. Done. Gas, I bought it, so it's still on the same level, so gas is not moving at all. So I got one pending buy at 257 ਤੇ ਵੀ ਲੱਗਾ ਹੋਇਆ, ਪਰ the one at 272 ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆ, it's just literally online. Yeah, yeah, it's not SEC site. No, no. That's a SIBO. SIBO ਜਿਹੜੀ exchange ਹੈ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ listing ਕਰਨੀ ਆ, so that's the certification on SEC site. Um, This is only SIBO ਦੀ restriction ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ allow ਕੀਤਾ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ firms ਨੂੰ with ETF register ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ. It's not something to celebrate yet. It's gonna be still coming. So sorry guys, my question is ਦੇਖਦਾ ਪਿਆ. So okay, let me see. I haven't looked at the questions there as well. Okay. I do update as much as possible, but I only got two hands on it, so you can either make money or either expect me to write 20,000 things. So I do uh, I do update as much as information possible for me. ਜਿੰਨੀ ਵੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ. So always you guys can ask me question ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ. So I'll try my best ਜਿੰਨੀ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ information ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਸਕਦਾ ਆ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬਾਰੇ. So that's all I can say. But please always ask me questions. That's the only way to know things, you know. Sorry, I just want to double check it कि मेरी stream सही चल रही भैया LinkedIn पे या नहीं. Yeah, that's fine. Perfect. Oh, my sharing screen doesn't work on. Okay, doing something wrong. What I'm doing wrong? I did share the screen. Share, stop screen sharing, disable camera. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it's okay. Whatever it is, it is. Can't really do more. So Bitcoin is around 46K now. So gold is 2023.50. Oil is coming back down again, 71.32. So UK oil is 76.40. So everything is in profit at the moment so far. Um, okay, let's see the questions. Oh, let me put the. Let me share the. So at the moment, there's nothing. It's only SIBO News is the one that's. Oh yeah, Bitcoin halving is coming as well. So it's in 100 some days, isn't it? Maybe. Yeah. So you can see, don't get dragged with this SEC news. This is only SIBO news. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ETF listing ਦੀ ਮਿਲੀ ਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ. ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕੀ ਇਹ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਪਏ ਆ ਕਿ SEC ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਕਾਊਂਟ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹ ਹੈਕ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੀਗਾ. It's not hacked. It's not hacked. There is a trying to cover up as well. It's an internal employee who done it, and now they're trying to cover it up. You know, somebody just bloody bought the Bitcoin, put the news on Twitter, must be related to their media team, and take the profit, and then ਜਦ ਤੱਕ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਭਾਈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਟਵੀਟ ਲਾਤੀ, then ਬਾਅਦ ਚੋਂ ਉਸੇ ਵੇਲੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਚਿਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ you know um, the news came out ਕਿ oh no, it was a fake, it was a compromised. It wasn't compromised, bloody ਜਿੰਨਾ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਝੂਠ ਬੋਲ ਲਓ. ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਜੀ, ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਜੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਾਓ. Galaxy Investco Bitcoin ETF. It will be updated. Vinay, the SIBO is the first one to show the listing. So that's BZX exchange. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ. BZX exchange. There will be multiple platforms launching the ETFs. Don't worry about anything. It will be on multiple platforms. It's not just on one exchange. It will be on. It's just they need one exchange to launch it, but it will be available to buy on different platforms after. A possibility. It will do. Bitcoin will do a lot more than gold ETF. You know, Bitcoin will be a lot more than Bitcoin is a new gold. It's a digital gold. People, out of the money, people trust the gold. No, out of the money, trust ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਲੋਕੀ. Bitcoin is now taking over the gold. Obviously, it will take Bitcoin too long. But if you look at it, the profits we made with Bitcoin this year and profits we made with the gold this year is a huge difference. Hope. Sorry, Instagram. I'm just trying to help you guys to get the screen better. That should be okay. Selling a gold now. Let me have a look. It's gonna be a bit of risk now. It's touching the sport round. This one's supposed to be the sport 2026 area, but it has already. So it is gonna go down. So next target is possibly 200. 2015 around, the 17 round. The I got a pending buy at um, 2013. So ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਂ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਸਿਗਨਲ ਪਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, So we still got that signal on, and we will wait. If it can still go, it can definitely still go down. There's no momentum at all in the gold at the moment to come back up, and a lot of money coming out from gold to go in a Bitcoin ETFs as well. So it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen tomorrow as well. Hey, somebody want to come live with me? Okay, there we go, Mister. Where are you? Where are you? Here we So ਹੈਜ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਲ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਪਾਈ ਸੀਗੀ ਪਰ देयर इज अ ਫੁੱਲ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਔਨ ਮਾਈ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੱਲ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ਾਰਟਸ ਪਾਈਆਂ ਸੀ ਹੈਜਿੰਗ ਬਾਰੇ but there's a video on my YouTube channel explaining a whole scenario of hedging. There is a free training in the 14 January ਨੂੰ I'm hosting a free forex training. Um, the link to book training is on my website dhandathegrade.com. The first page that they link, yeah. So if you sign up, you can learn with me for a day. I'm gonna I found a place as well, so I'm gonna do some live training as well with some of the boys, local boys here, to see how they do it with live with me. They, I'm gonna announce that soon in a group as well after I got this training out. No, no, no. No news is no news is no news is. Spot Bitcoin ETF applicant ARK Invest CEO said hack SEC hack will not delay ETF decision. But obviously, yeah, why it would delay? It wasn't hack anyway. Anyhow, government, the organization, then they didn't have a 2FA security. I just can't digest it. I just can't digest it. It's not possible at all. Jesse already subscribed Kalia training, no? So that will be all. You need a Zoom software, so you will get a link in the email once you book the ticket for the Zoom to join, and that's it really. So you know, I have no idea how many tickets are being sold so far as we speak. Um, so I've got 268 tickets sold so far, so 731 available. ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੀ ਸ਼ਾਮੀ ਲਾਈਵ ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ so I've got 268 so I will see how many people join till the last day and then I'll make my decision according to कि 500 तक ही सीमित रखनी है या I'm gonna let it go above 1000. Yeah, we do have Signal Group. It's free to join for the people who use our broker. Otherwise, it's very expensive. I kept the fees very expensive because I want to make all the money from my Signal Group. And I want to be rich, buy the Ferraris, buy the Bentleys from the Signal Group money. No. It's free. It's free for the if you're using my broker. So don't don't. Um, well, we can speak about it while we waiting for the decision. Um, No, 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 no. I don't take people who have no experience in trading. Those are not the people I want in my signal group. I want people who got some experience in trading. मेरे signal group च enter होने ਦੇ ਲਈ you have to have some kind of experience in trading because all I don't the last thing I want is you losing your money just because you don't have a knowledge. Signal follow करने ਨਾਲ नहीं पैसे बनते. It's the strategy you have to understand how to do this trading. I have made so many videos. All my information is free online. Go on YouTube, learn about it. There's a plenty of stuff I try to teach you guys. Spend some time to learn. Yeah, I've been trading over 6 years now. Obviously, I've always been a part-time trader. Most of you guys are like now. Um, Cause only wanted a little extra income because I was very good. I worked in e-commerce. I was good with the websites and selling things. Amazon, eBay's, and all that sort of things. So I used to do a job, nice 9 to 5 job. Come home, that's it, chill. But I always wanted extra money. I think when the mainly trigger me more is when COVID came. COVID came, um, then obviously I had more time. I had to sit down. I think I was profitable at first. I was just like most of people who start trading with the brokers and broker guide them and stuff. And I lost a lot of money. I lost first up, when I added the money, I lost it all. And then the second time I added another money and more money, then I lost literally all. But second time I paise lose karda paya siga, I did not let that money, all money go away. So total average, I would say total I put it around 1500 ever. 1500 pound ever ਮੈਂ ਕਦੀ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਜੇਬ ਚੋਂ ਪਾਇਆ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੈਟਸ ਇਟ ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਦੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੈਸੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੀ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਐਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਜੇਬ ਚੋਂ ਪਾਏ ਹੋਣ ਤੇ this is that story until today. uh, you know but it doesn't come overnight. It doesn't come. You need to have a dedication to learn. You need to have why you want to do it. ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੀਰੀਅਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੇ, ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਸੀਰੀਅਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਂਦੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਆਈ ਹੈਡ ਸੋ ਮੈਨੀ ਪੀਪਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਗਰੁੱਪ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਆ, ਦੇ ਲੋਸਟ ਮਨੀ, they frustrated, I don't want to do it Paji anymore, I lost all that, I lost this, and then they come back with a smaller money, they come back with the way I wanted them to trade, and loads of them are making money back now again. So it's not about just copying the signal. Anybody can copy the signal. ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਹੁਣ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਵੀ ਸਕੀਮਾਂ ਚੱਲਦੀਆਂ ਆ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਟ ਤੇ, ਕਾਪੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਿਗਨਲ ਕਰੋ, ਕਾਪੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਿਗਨਲ ਕਰੋ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ, is free, is that, is the, it's not, it doesn't work. It's the time you need to spend to learn that. It's not just copying them, it's about knowing the software use ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਯੂਜ਼ ਸੌਫਟਵੇਅਰ ਕਰਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉਹਦੀਆਂ ਛੋਟੀ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਟੈਕਨੀਕਲ ਐਸਪੈਕਟ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨੇ ਆ। Whenever you want to become a trader, you need to make sure you ready to invest your time। ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ, your time and your patience। Definitely many। Perfect, brother, you got it right। Time and money, that's the biggest investment you can do for the trading। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਟਾਈਲ ਲੱਭਣੇ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਆ, ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਟਾਈਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ that's the only successful, no, your time might be different। ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਜੌਬ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ, I only used to do trading before I go to work। ਸੋ 7 ਵਜੇ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ 8 ਵਜੇ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਕਰਨੇ, 7 ਵਜੇ ਡਿਸੀਜਨ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ, ਯੂਰਪੀਅਨ ਡਿਸੀਜਨ ਆਉਣੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਕਰਨਾ। ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਲੇਟਰ ਔਨ 1:30 ਵਜੇ ਲੰਚ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਲੈਣੀ, ਲੰਚ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਅਮਰੀਕਨ ਇਵੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਦੁਪਹਿਰ ਨੂੰ ਲੰਚ ਵੇਲੇ। ਐਂਡ you need to find your strategy। ਮੈਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਇੱਕ ਲਰਨ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਕਿ ਇਹੀ ਸੀਗੀ, you need to trade until you can look after your trades। Don't listen to those shitty people who think, oh ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਲਾ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਮਰਜੀ ਜਾਓ, ਆਹ ਕਰੋ, ਦੇਖੋ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ। No, do your trades। ਹਾਂ, it again it's depend on your strategy, but not everybody can do that। ठीक है, so you need to have time to look after your trade। You need to see where are your trades, do you need to protect your trades। Mostly ਲੋਕੀ lose ਕਰਦੇ ਆ because they've never been taught that way ਕਿ how to protect your trades। ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਗ੍ਰੀਨ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾਉਂਦਾ ਆ, ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਗ੍ਰੀਨ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ, I never let that trade close in a red। Unless मेरी गलती है, that's different, but that's my strategy। I never make a loss once trade is green। Simple। तो ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਜੌਬ, ਆਪਣਾ ਟਾਈਮ, ਜਿੰਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਟਾਈਮ ਆ, ਉਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਐਡਜਸਟ ਕਰੋ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। when I was working, I've done like this। I made money, I had a really good trades, I had a long term trades running with Apple, with the GBP USD and all that different stock places। I didn't know much about earnings that time, but I was like newcomer, so I was trying to try to learn different aspects। ਪਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਜਾਂ ਮੈਂ, well I'm not old, I'm only bloody 44 yet। ਪਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫੁੱਲ ਟਾਈਮ ਪਿਆ ਸੀ, the one thing I always used to do is learn first। ਮੈਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਨਵੀਂ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਸੀ ਜਾਂ earnings ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਟਾਰਗੇਟ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਹੈ, I used to observe them, I used to demo them। ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਡੈਮੋ ਤੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ how I'm going to target all these things। ठीक है, so once you become like, हाँ, this is the way I want to do it, then I used to implement into my live account। ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਵੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਹਾਂ, ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਵੀ ਜਦੋਂ, ਹੁਣ ਤਾਂ obviously I don't try new strategies and stuff। but when I used to, or even if I still have to do it today, I will just register a new demo account and then test my strategy on there। Earnings play, Joe. I always target earnings on here. I do not make assumptions. I look at the old earnings, so you can go on the press release areas or media fair areas, website on the company they, and then look at it. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ financial reports ਕੀ ਆ, financial plannings ਕੀ ਆ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ future ਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ last earnings ਆਈਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ, what projections they predicted. ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ। ਇਸੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ um, it's not just one thing ਕਿ ਇੱਕ second ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਹੈ, no. It's like it takes a lot of time to research about things. It's not approved, brother. No. No, no, no. I take position as soon as earnings is announced. So you need to watch live press conferences. So, for example, every day there are 20 companies, 100 companies give you earnings. You need to pick your companies you are familiar with, the companies you traded, or either you own the stock, or either you know about the company. So once you pick up the company, read about it, spend ਦੋ ਤਿੰਨ ਕੰਪਨੀਆਂ ਪਿਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ every day. So one before pre-market, one after market company. So maybe two are the best company at the moment. I can target 3 4 companies at one in one go. Before I used to take one company pre-market, one company after market, and that's it. You need to learn about it, spend some time, spend a couple of hours reading. You can prepare yourself 2 weeks in advance, that's okay, but the material you're going to read before the earnings coming is going to stay fresh in your head. You're going to know ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ earnings ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਈਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ, make a notes. Note making ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ। No, 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 no. It's not already shoot up. Stock shoots up once earnings are released. But because the methods we use these softwares, we use these calendars and stuff. But if you watch their live press conferences, if you watch their press releases areas on your website, you will find these reports earlier than the calendar websites. So there is a time difference between we always depend on कि हाँ invest.com ਤੇ earnings ਆ ਗਈਆਂ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੋ, trade 212 ਤੇ earnings ਆ ਗਈਆਂ ਹੁਣ ਕਰੋ, no, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ earnings ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ actually earning release ਹੋਈਆਂ ਆ, there's a time difference, and that is when you need to target. That is when you need to watch a live press conference. That is when you need to read their press releases, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ update information ਹੋਵੇ ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ read ਕਰਨੀ ਆ, they are all going to read from the same place. Yeah, it doesn't look like. Well, they have to. Jada ARC the ETF, they have to prove it today because this is the last day today. So not sure about others, but one definitely will get approved today somehow. Now ਹੁਣ ਅੱਜ ਤਾਂ ਆ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੁਝ ਹੋਣਾ ਹੈ। ਨਵੇਂ coin release ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਨਵੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ, they're gonna just target people as much as possible. BTC, obviously, many I got a pending trades. So my pending trades are Bitcoins. Obviously, one is at 47K and one is at 43. Which one I can 44 actually. I can break that. Wait for the barrier to break. So basically, this sideways zone. So I can target the sideways zone to buy and sell this season. So it is definitely going up green bars. Always read reports and take decisions, because by the time you're reading reports, you are one of those investor website, calendar website guy who reading the reports and then adding on to their data. So if you read the news same time, you become the law advanced, not advanced like I will say like so many minutes or half an hour. No, it's like a few seconds difference, and that is when the guy who's typing in their system and other people gonna read. That is when you're gonna get there early. Yeah, it's the last arc the last day, so definitely they can't. They have to say yes or no today. So this is the last day basically. Yes, yes. Always read the reports. Always press releases. 2 years time, to be honest, so many analysts they predicted differently. I'm not a big analyst, but if I even predict 250,000, 220,000 pound Bitcoin price, it won't be wrong. It will be. It depend on the ETF now. Even though ETF doesn't get approved, we will get a temporary setback in Bitcoin, but we will definitely make a lot more money after once it's do the comeback. Nah, Vire, this is Joy. I'm trying to tell you, Vire. I don't take position before release. I take position when the earnings are releasing. As soon as they release, so you can see my screen. So I got a big screen here, right? So you can see. So what I do is I use like one thing on my laptop. I can have like 10 different screens on my computer, you know. So I can like, so ਸੋ ਇਹਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਸਕਰੀਨਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਇੱਕ ਵੇਲੇ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਹਨਾ ਸੋ ਯੂ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਗੈਟ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਇਨਟੂ ਸਮ ਗੁੱਡ equipments as well. The tools has to be better. I'm gonna get more screens as well because I'm trying to plan. Me and my son was talking to open a like proper office because first I was thinking I will ask people to come home, but then it's not just ideal for just to ask anybody to come home, है So I'm not blaming anybody, but it's just your own security as well and everything. You don't know who's gonna come, isn't it? So that's the main thing. So at the moment, so we trying to look into different options, what we can do and stuff. Yes, I use Libre definitely. I got a CFD count on Trade 212. That is the only way to make quick money on that. Yeah. And even you missed it, it all depend on what you know about the company. If you think company is really strong, the earnings are really strong, the stock has gone up, but then as soon as you buy it, start coming down. No, just wait till next day when the market opens. Market jumps back again as long as there's no negative news coming out from. So the best things you have to find from the company earnings are company's earnings, yeah, EPS and their revenue. So once EPS and revenue topped up, they beat up the expectations. From the press release, you need to see what are their next earnings expectations. Are they expecting your earnings to go down? Their earnings to go down? Are they expecting target going to be huge? Okay? So if target is going to be huge, that is when you need to get in to buy it. That's how I make my decision to buy that stock. If the if the future earnings are earning targets are down, I don't buy it. I wait for it. I give it a couple of minutes. If it's going up, I wait, and as soon as it start getting steady, I sell it. Take short. So there are way to think. The market live on the. It's like you know your pinpoints. What point I'm looking for it, and you just need to stick to them. Don't confuse yourself. Yeah, that's why many are thought. Um, we are looking, offices. We were thinking to go to either Grand Central, but then we thought we looked at office there in Grand Central, but then we thought, ki the only it's good for people who want to come by train and stuff, but then the people who want to come by cars, it might be not ideal. So we're looking for something like in Solihull, maybe near our house, like somewhere around train station, as well as the public network, as well as good parking spot as well, so people can come around now. So we're trying to like we're thinking. My son is helping me out now, so it's a bit helpful for me. he giving me his ideas and everything. Krishna Kumar. Krishna, there's a on my YouTube channel there is um what it's called playlist chart reading. Watch that, mate. I do upload videos on the chart reading. On that, I'm gonna upload more videos as well there, so you can learn how to read the charts there. Yes, yes, I do short as well. Sometimes I buy the stock because of the earnings. If they beat up the current expectations, so I buy the stock, I make the money, and then so my strategy is chasing it from behind, not setting up any top targets or anything. I'm chasing up from behind. So if I bought the stock, as soon as I got in profit, I implement my trailing stop loss behind it. Let it go as far as going. They once that then that will give me enough time to read this what's happening with their press release, what's the in-depth of finances. So once I spot something, if yes, down, negative, any negative thing I report, spot in press release, as soon as it goes higher, where I see there's a couple of 5 minute bars coming, red bars coming, I just take my buy position out and then I enter in the sell. Because what happens is by the time next day market gonna open, the sell gonna go bigger, because by the time market gonna start understand more better कि oh the earnings are good पर ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ earnings ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ good ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ, so investors start worrying. So those investors who don't have access to aftermarket, they make the decision when the market open next day. And what decision they're going to make, because they're going to see everybody is not happy. They're thinking that even the current earnings are good, the next earnings not going to be good, so let's get out from this stock now. So they may take their profits, whatever they done, they just get out of it. And so there are different way to think, and you're not 100%, you're not right 100% of the time. One thing always, you will be challenged. There will be so many things you might be thinking, you're thinking wrong, but it this is how it's gonna work. It's just a time. You become perfect. If you trade 10 stock, you might lose in one, but you win in nine. So that's more important as well. Yes, on trade 212, everything allowed. You can short, you can buy, whatever you like. It's one of the best platforms, to be honest. One of the best platforms. They don't take customers all year round. I will have a look. I think I did had an email. They start taking customers again. I will share it in a group later on if they are taking customers again or not. I think so. I've seen their email, but I don't know exactly. Are they doing it or not? Yeah. So gold is on 2022. Oil is on 71.33, and UK oil is on 76.45. So they're not far from my targets. I already secured $1,000 on both trades. So all I'm gonna wait is now uh, the ETF. Bitcoin is like stuck around that zone as well. So ਹਾਂਜੀ ਦੂਰਦਰਸ਼ਨ ਵਾਲਿਓ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕੀ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਆ। Yeah, yeah, obviously they must have made the decision already. They just delaying, or maybe they just trying to go through things before they announce in the public. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਅੱਜ ਬਾਬਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਭਗਤ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਣਗੇ ਖਾਣਾ ਪੀਣਾ ਬਾਬਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਵੀ ਕਰੋ ਲੱਤਾਂ ਬਾਹਾਂ ਘੁੱਟਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਬਾਬਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਆ ਕੇ ਖਾਣਾ ਪੀਣਾ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਓ ਬਾਬਿਆਂ ਲਈ ਖੀਰ ਖੂਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਓ ਹਾਂ ਬਾਬੇ ਦੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਬਾਬਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਤਾਰੇ ਪਏ ਆ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਬਾਬਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ Yeah, rent can be option as well, definitely, because obviously we need different rooms anyway. But the problem is when you take a house on rent, you need to um register with the council and everything as well, you know. Then you have to change the house to the business um property as well. So there's a lot involved as well. You can't just have a house and then run a business because your neighbors ने complaint करती या इतना कुछ हो गया है ना. So then there's a trouble as well. Oil trade कल लाई सी दूरदर्शन वाले. So we had around 500 pips since yesterday with oil buy though. So we had 100 pips TP1, 200 pips TP2, and 300 pips TP3. At 360 pips TP3 ਸੀਗਾ. ਸਵੇਰੇ 300 pips ਸੀਗਾ ਚਲ ਗਿਆ. ਪਰ I thought it will carry on going up still until we get the inventories, but it didn't. It stopped going up, and then it came back down. So we put the trailing stop loss to TP2. So that gave us another 200 pips. No idea ਵੀਰੇ ਹਲੇ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਆਣਾ ਆ. Tesla long time is a buy. Tesla is a good money, a good price to buy as well. Long term, obviously, if you're thinking, don't take my word for do your own research as well. But I'm thinking to buy more Tesla as well because I need to find. It's been long actually. The recently one I buy Palantir. Obviously earnings ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ Palantir ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆ boost ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਆ. Um, what other stocks I bought purchased? Nvidia. Um, which another one? We short Apple recently, so Apple done gave us quite good. Office G just to teach people, just so I can spend some time teaching people and stuff. A lot of people want to spend their money. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਭਾਜੀ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਪੈਸੇ ਲੈ ਲਓ ਸਾਨੂੰ teach ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਬਸ. So I'm gonna charge a fees £1,000 a day. They I'm gonna have a one to ones ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਕੱਲਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ. Alibaba, ਨਾ Chinese stock ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ I'm out of them. I don't trust Chinese government. I don't trust their market. Their businesses has lost lot. I'm expecting China to file a big bankruptcies in next 2 years. Within next 2 years, like their big companies are going to file huge bankruptcies. So China is struggling. China got a lot more enemies than friends. So India is taking over some of China's business, Philippines taking over, Vietnam taking over, Taiwan taking over a lot of their business. So there are so many countries taking over China's business from China. So it's just at the moment all about Kiki um, ਕਦੋਂ trigger ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ China ਦਾ downfall. Uh, There's nothing left in Chinese economy that can give any good hope for us at the moment. Oh God, I found out just now how to do the double screen on our stream. Oh goodness, so idiot I am. Yeah, Kalu inflation, yeah. So there's gonna be big day tomorrow for traders. So gold, US dollar, everything will be moving. Alibaba, I don't want to influence you. Alibaba is a good stock, but they have messed up a lot in the market. Um, so I don't own any Chinese stock other than Neo and BYD. Utul I don't own any stock really. Because they are Alibaba, we made money. We made money long time ago with Alibaba. I think when I sold my stock was on 270 something. Um, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਨਹੀਂ, no, never, because when Alibaba dropped as well, then their earnings and stuff. So when you carry on looking at their earnings, they were constantly struggling due to COVID and everything. They never actually get back on their feet, on their 2 feet after COVID. So then the Chinese government strike on them. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜੈਕਮੋ ਨੂੰ ਜੇਲ੍ਹ ਚ ਕਰਤਾ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਅੰਦਰ, ਹਾਊਸ ਜੇਲ੍ਹ. Even now as well, Jack Mo is not very visible guy. He's not been seen, not been. He's been hidden. The government has controlled him a lot, so he has been tamed. His and merger has been stopped by Chinese government. China government is not a business friendly government. This is how people think in China now. I know a lot of Chinese friends. I know a lot of people who own warehouses and stuff, and they all say that Chinese government is the one that destroying their own businesses. So they're not actually really helping them anymore. Okay.
And so go back, you know, they just kind of opened up this really neat opportunity whenever the price dipped. So, but we'll look into that. We're going to investigate ourselves later this year, and so we will definitely be in, looking at stuff to punish whoever we need to punish. Just trust us to investigate ourselves.
It is strong at the
Anyway,
moment.
approval coming.
JPY
soon.
is weak. JPY
We'll
has
see.
been
Have a
targeted.
nice day.
There we go.
Hey, my name's Stephen, and I work within the SEC to ensure
Everything. I had open CHF JPY sell
should
as well to test it because it's all time high nearly.
And
So
what
it
happened
is
yesterday
rewarding at the
was-
moment, but it's
was
still
really
around. Yeah.
unacceptable. I mean, we make quite a bit of money off of it because some of us decided to get into Bitcoin, and so we put out the approval, then we took it back, and it just kind of opened up this really neat opportunity whenever the price dipped. So, but we'll look into that. We're going to investigate ourselves later this year, and so we will definitely be in, looking at stuff to punish whoever we need. to punish.
मेरा group
Just trust us
is
to
on my
investigate
website,
ourselves.
dhandadegreat.com.
Anyway, approval
It's
coming
free.
soon.
You guys can join in. If you
We'll
want to join
Y'all have
Signal
a nice
group,
day.
it's free as well if you're using my
Hey,
broker.
my name's Stephen, and
But I only take
SEC
people who are experienced in
that
trading in
we
my
can
group,
always
in my
give
Signal group. If
accurate
you're not
information
experienced, I
safe
recommend you to
in
learn
regards
first.
to the market so we can protect you. And
You
what
can always
happened
message
yesterday
me. Anyway,
was,
I've got
was
so
really
many videos and
unacceptable.
stuff I made a playlist
I mean, we're
for
making
people
a
to
bit of
watch
money
to
off of it
understand the
because
market.
some of us decided to get into Bitcoin, and so we put out the approval, then we took it back. It just kind of opened up this
ਤੁਸੀਂ
really
trading ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ
opportunity
ਜੀ.
whenever the price dipped. So,
If you want to learn, there's a
get to that,
training
we're
on
gonna
14th of
investigate ourselves
January.
later this year.
It's
So
a full day
we'll
training. It's a completely free training.
looking at stuff to punish whoever we need to punish. Just trust us to investigate ourselves.
So there's a training, free training for Forex training for 14th of Jan, 9 o'clock till 4 o'clock. The the link is on my website, dhandadigrade.com. So when you go on my website, this is the first link you will see to book. So just book it. I got plenty of seats now, so I'm not expecting 1,000 people on board, but I have opened up to 1,000 people. So let's see till end of the day how many people I get booked on that. Neo is good, definitely. Neo got a lot of money from Saudi Arabia Emporium. So Saudi Arabia is really splashing money around the world. So the Neo is good for long run now.
Anyway,
Link I just shown you, Shweta, it's on my website, dhandadigrade.com.
nice day.
So if you go on here,
Hey, my name's
Dhanda the
Stephen,
Great,
and I work with
DHANDA,
the SEC
there you
to
go.
ensure that we can always
You
give
can go on my
accurate
website
information
and you can either click here or you can
sure,
go on
so
home
we can
page, the
protect
first
you.
page,
And
and
what happened
book now
yesterday
here.
was really unacceptable. I mean,
No worries. It's free.
we're
Share it with your friends as well. ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਵੀ learn ਕਰਨੀ ਆ, friends, family.
excited to get
It's a
into
per
Bitcoin.
ticket,
And
one
so
person per
got
ticket.
the
So
approval,
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ
let me go
ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ
back.
ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, Zoom ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਆ, ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਜਾਂ ਮੋਬਾਈਲ
We
ਫੋਨ
just
ਤੋਂ
kind of
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣ
opened
ਸਕਦੇ
up
ਆ.
this really
And
opportunity
I will
for
record the
price
training
dips.
and upload it
So,
on YouTube as
but
well
we'll look
after,
into that.
so
We're
you
going to
guys
investigate
can watch it
ourselves
as well after.
later this year, and so we will definitely
CHF JPY will drop. It has been strengthening a lot. It's all-time high,
punish whoever.
and I'm expecting JPY to
Just
show
trust us
some,
to investigate ourselves. Anyway,
stubbornness.
approval coming soon. Maybe we'll see. Y'all have a nice day. Hey, my name's Stephen, and I work within the SEC to ensure that we can always give you accurate information safely in regards to the market, so we can protect you. And what happened yesterday was really unacceptable. I mean, we're make quite a bit of money off of it because some of us decided to get into Bitcoin, and so we got the approval, then we took it back. You know, it just kind of opened up this really neat opportunity whenever the price dipped. So, but we'll look into that. We're going to investigate ourselves.
Mera you
later
can,
this
yeah,
year.
sell is still on, but you can take sell from here if you want.
Looking at stuff
So,
to punish. We need to punish, just us. Anyway, approval coming soon. Maybe we'll see. Y'all have a nice day. Hey, my name's Stephen, and I work within the SEC to ensure that we can always give you accurate information safely in regards to the market, so we can protect you. And what happened yesterday was really unacceptable. I mean, we're going to make quite a bit of money off of it because some of us decided to get into Bitcoin, and so we put out the approval, then we took it back. It just kind of opened up this really neat opportunity whenever the price dipped. So, but we'll look into that. We're going to investigate ourselves later this year, and so we will definitely be, looking at stuff to punish whoever we need to punish. Just trust us to investigate ourselves. Anyway, approval coming soon. Maybe we'll see. Y'all have a nice day. Hey, my name's Stephen, and I work within the
this is a good quote, isn't it? I will win, not immediately, but definitely. So Bitcoin is going high. Definitely is going high. Showing the strength, very much strength. But the problem is now, I think I'm gonna go offline, guys. I feel hungry. ਭੁੱਖ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ but I don't want to miss the information as well. Possibility look like it will be a late night decision. ਆਪਣੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ maybe 9 ਵਜੇ 8:30 9 ਵਜੇ UK ਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ the way at the moment market is. So, Bitcoin will start trading tomorrow, SIBO. ਕੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਇਸਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ it's a well known platform so you shouldn't have problem with booking ticket. What's the problem? What's the error coming? Try use different computer. It's true. Yeah, definitely many. ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਕਿ is the destination important या the journey? ਇਹਦੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ destination important ਹੈ ਜਾਂ journey? ਤਾਂ ਅਗਲੇ ਦਾ ਜਵਾਬ ਸੀ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾਲ ਬੰਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ that's more important journey. ठीक है guys, I think I'm gonna go offline. It doesn't look like it look like it might be the last minute thing they will approve. I will come back online again. Gold is downtrend at the moment. Gold, I'm not sure gold किथे है हम, but more probably it's a downtrend. We sold the gold since morning, so it's on 2021, so it's going down. So this is the area need defending by gold 2018. So if gold can defend this area, that is something they need to watch. Otherwise, we will see gold going towards 2000. Oh, that must be your computer. Maybe try to book on phone or different browser or use incognito mode. This one incognito. So use that mode. So sometimes it's just cookies and stuff. Gold bottom is 216. So around that's the area gold need to defend. This area where the red line is, that's my TP. 218, 216, this is the main area to defend. So if gold gone down below 216 today, maybe we can see more downfall. For if gold, so we need to watch that area basically 216. No worries. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go offline. I'm gonna eat something and then might come back later. I got so many messages I can see WhatsApp and all that. People gonna think कि पता नहीं मैंने की होगा जरा मैं message नहीं देता पिया. So I'll speak to you guys later on. I'll see if I can come back online live once go near the end of market. I'll come back later on, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys. I'll see if I can come back later on. Definitely. Yeah, yeah. I will update you guys. I'm gonna eat something.